Essay, English shortened dictation, social empowerment programs in India, speed 100 word per minute, duration 10 minute, start. Welfare schemes or social empowerment programs are not the invention of modern age. Stop. They were also part of the ancient Maurya kingdom. Stop. Such schemes were continued throughout the ancient, medieval and the pre-modern age. Stop. The reveals the fact that empowerment of the poor, marginalized is ingrained in our culture, which has been inherited by the modern age to ensure that rule of law, equality and harmony prevails in the society. Stop. Social empowerment schemes, though few in numbers and different in character, were also continued by the Britishers. Stop. Para. After independence, the natural of Indian economy, society completely changed due to exploitative nature of British rule. Stop. Rural India, which was once self-sufficient, was made uneconomic, poverty stricken and diseased. Stop. Mismanagement, famine, prevailing inequality, social culture, traditions were some other reasons that led to marginalization of rural India, women, children and unemployed youth. Stop. Para. India adopted a mixed economy, where state took initiative to develop the masses. Stop. The initiative included establishment of planning commission, which was nodal agency for flagship programming. Stop. To review performance of flagship program, its effect on Indian economy, empowering the marginalized, flagship program in four reactions would be chosen, that is, first, rural development scheme, second, child welfare scheme, third, women empowerment schemes, fourth, employment schemes. Stop. Para. The development of rural India is an imperative for inclusive and equitable growth and to unlock huge potential of the population that is presently trapped in poverty with its associated deprivations. Stop. Rural schemes are mostly linked to social infrastructure and provision of gainful and productive employment. Stop. The genesis of rural development program began with community development program in 1952 and was instrumental in raising the standard of living and reconstructing the rural India. Stop. Para. But various factors such as lack of clearly defined properties, concerning of the benefits by rich and big farmers, lack of coordination among different development departments, administrative inefficiency, etc., clouded the materialization of CDP in full scale. Stop. Para. Subsequent to the community development program, other rural development programs like integrated rural development program, national rural employment program, TRISEM, Jawahar Rozgar Yojana, Antodaya program, drought prone area program. Stop. Desert development program, स्वर्ण जयंती ग्राम स्वरोजगार योजना etc. were initiated. Stop. Para. These programs obtained mixed results and the fact that rural India is still facing many kind of distress, proves their incompetence. Stop. To analyze the reason behind such distress, it is pertinent to review certain ongoing flagship scheme. Stop. Para. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act is a right-based wage employment program, which aim at enhancing livelihood security. Stop. For successful implementation of Manrenega, a web-enabled management information system has also been developed to ensure transparency and accountability. Stop. Moreover, it was successful in providing employment during lean months, helped increased rural consumption, creation of sustainable asset for agriculture, etc. Stop. National Rural Livelihood Mission seeks to reach out all rural poor households in the country and organize them into self-help groups. Stop para. The Pradhan Mantri Gram Sevak Yojana, in a bid to give better rural connectivity, as also included sustainable measures like use of locally available construction material such as waste plastic, fly ash, cold, mixed technology. Stop. A good road should have a good house, hence government aimed at shelter for all through Indra Awas Yojana. Stop para. Further, National Social Assistance Program Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gramin Koshala Yojana, Skill Development, Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana, Rural Electrification were initiated. Stop para. Christian Lagarde, chief, IMF said that, India's GDP can expand by 27% of the number of female workers would increase to the same level as that of men. Stop. Women enjoyed equal powers during the early Vedic period. Stop. But since later Vedic, they have been denied their rights, harassed, etc. Stop. In this regard, Ministry of Child and Women Development took the leadership for promoting empowered women living with dignity and contributing as equal partners in development in an environment free from violence and discrimination. Stop para. Discrimination against women starts even before her birth, that continues with discrimination in healthcare, education, etc. To their rescue came the Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao scheme, with a twin aim of not only improving the adverse sex ratio, but also to ensure that girls are educated. Stop para. Nutritional deficiency, iron deficiency amongst adolescent girls is a common phenomenon in India. Stop. Rajiv Gandhi scheme for empowerment of adolescent girls aim all round development of adolescent girls. Stop. To safeguard the further of girl child, Sukanya Smriddhi account saving scheme was launched, which targeted parents of girl child, is a part of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign. Stop para. One stop center, a sub scheme of the National Mission for Empowerment of Women, is intended to support women affected by violence is private and public spaces, within the family, community and at workplace. Stop. In India, due to social, cultural, economic environment, many women work face difficulty like destitute women, or women realized from jail, survivor of natural disasters. Stop. Moreover, many women fell prey to trafficking. Stop. So, Swadhyaan scheme comes to rescue of destitute women and Ujjwala for the prevention of trafficking in women. Stop. थैंक यू। इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि लेटेस्ट वीडियो की जानकारी आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच सके। वीडियो को लाइक और डिसलाइक अवश्य करें। कोई सुझाव और प्रश्न हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखें और वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड्स और क्लासमेट्स को शेयर करें।